Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the all-new 2022 Ford Maverick in an XLT trim. The Maverick is Ford's new compact pickup truck, coming standard as a two-wheel drive hybrid. However, this model comes with the 2-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency and all-wheel drive capabilities, as well as the FX4 Off-Road Package, giving you off-road suspension, and the 4K tow package, giving you greater towing capability. And looking into the modular bed, down here you have a QR code that you can read to give you some ideas of what to do with the space in the bed. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for 3 with fold-out armrests and 2 cup holders, as well as a 120-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C in the middle, and the seats can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal some pretty deep storage bins underneath with, again, another QR code to give you ideas of what to do with this space. And then looking into the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip information, tire pressures, your now playing, fuel economy, and you can go and do further vehicle settings. Moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls and having your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth capable. And you have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. And above that, you have a little cubby. To the side, you have another little cubby. And moving down, you have your media controls as well as your hazards. And moving down even further, you have your climate controls. Pretty simple, easy to use, automatic climate. Below that, you have a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something into power or charge. Then you have this tray area here where you can put your phone or whatever else you want. Main shifter on a dial, very convenient, easy to use. 2 cup holders, parking brake, brake hold, hill descent assist, auto start stop shut off, traction control shut off, and drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, slippery, mud ruts, sand, and back to normal. So you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And here you have another little tray and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious for all of your stuff. And last but not least, because I forgot, you do have a manual sliding rear window, which is always convenient, but that should cover our look at the interior. And because I forgot, you do also have a trailer brake controller, also a part of the 4K tow package. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.